given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hello my lovely and beautiful nail friends, welcome back to a new video. So I have two things. If you watch Nail by Nikki, you know she uses Polygel with base coat, and I want to give that a try. I didn't do my thumbnail, the rest I did, and it worked perfectly, so we are going to do my thumbnail together. And also this nail has really high hypernicum, so I thought it was really nice. So sorry I got interrupted, but we do two parts of this video. I'm gonna sculpt my nail to show you how easy this is just gel from AliExpress, and this is glow in the dark, and we are going to use a rubber base coat as a slip solution, and I think it works amazing. Much better than alcohol or slip solution, because with alcohol or slip solution there's a chance that it runs into your cuticle area and everything, but this works amazing. And I also have this right here I want to show you, and maybe I'm gonna put some on my nails, and one of my next videos will be taking off this and do a new set. But the first thing we are going to do is just buff up my nail. And I was saying I have quite a high hypernicum, so we have to cut out my form to make it fit. So let me clean this up with some alcohol, and this is the form I'm gonna use, and this is from AliExpress, and I really like this one. It's really sturdy and paper, and it works really nice on my nails. So you can see I'm already touching skin, and this side won't go under the nail, so we are going to see there. So I'm taking my little scissors right here, also from AliExpress, and cut out a part of this form. And see how this will go. You can see it fits much better now. So we are going to press this against my finger so it will stick. There we go. And then I'm gonna use my primer. There we go. And I'm gonna use this Vanillisa Saviland rubber base coat. So we're gonna apply a layer of this on my nail and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna use my Yayoge Sun 1 lamp, a beautiful pink lamp. And I also have a running giveaway video on my channel. You really need to check that video out. You can win a lamp and gel and just a small starter kit to start off your own nail journey, and there will be 3 winners, so please go ahead and enter that giveaway. So the next thing we are going to do is grab our polygel, and you can use all kind of polygels, but in this video I'm gonna use my glow in the dark one. I also used it on all of my other nails. Just squeeze some out of here. There we go. And then put our brush into the base gel, not too much. And then we are going to start with the cuticle area. And look how nice and smooth it is. I really, really like this. No lumps, no bumps, nothing sticks. Look at that. A beautiful nail. And the only thing you have to do, just a little bit of filing. But look at that. We are going to cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I will be right back. We are going to take the form off. Grab a little wipe with alcohol to take the sticky layer off. And we can use a hand file. Just to file this baby into shape. And that's everything you need to do. I really love Polygel with base coat. It's such a good idea, and I really loved the video Nikki did, so please go check her out. I'm gonna file this one into shape off camera, and then I will be back putting a color on and showing these beautiful, beautiful foils I got. So I will be right back. So here is my nail completely filed and buffed, and look how amazing it looks. I really like this method. I also buffed up the other nails, and these are colors from Princess Nails by Diana, and she has amazing colors. So there will be a separate video of these colors and me swatching them, but I already have some colors on my nails because I freaking love them. So here we have number 512. Here we have number 894. And you really need to grab these colors because they are 15 milliliters and really affordable. And look at that little bird right here. So here we have this blue one, and this is 446. Then we have this yellow one here, 508, and these two we have here, 510, and the purple one right here is 140, and they are really, really affordable, and they are really pigmented. So we are going to smoosh this purple one on my thumb and cure that in the lamp. And this is just one coat of color. So we give this a cure for 60 seconds. And while we wait, I'm gonna show you the thing I got really excited about. I got this from AliExpress, and Nails by Cami already have this one. I ordered quite some time ago, but it finally came in, so we are going to use these on my nail, but I freaking love them. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different designer foils, but all with little Disney figures on here. So let me open it up so we can check them out together. So we have this orangey Gucci one, and this is with Mickey Mouse, and the head of Mickey Mouse is also in Gucci design. So that's really, really nice, and you got quite a big piece, so you can last these forever. Let me see if I can put it back in here. Then we've got this Gucci one, and this is with Mickey Mouse as well, but this is a white one. Then we've got this colorful one right here with different patterns and designs. And there's a little Chanel right here. This is really colorful, really nice. Then we've got this Burberry one with different chains and things on here. Really cool. So so far I'm not sure what I'm gonna do on my nail. Here is the Louis Vuitton one with Mickey Mouse again. Then we've got this one, also with some lipsticks and Mickey and Minnie Mouse. We've got this blue one, and here is Chin Chen. We've got this Dior one with different bags, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Dior, it's just everything. Then we've got this pink one with flowers, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse and Donald Duck. And the last one is this one right here, and I really like this one. This is a Gucci with some flowers and butterflies and everything. So I'm gonna grab my foil glue, if I know where it is. And I'm gonna use my markartt foil glue on these nails. And we are going to put our foils on here. And you want to give this a cure for 60 seconds as well. So this is cured. We don't want to touch anything, but we are going to use foils, and I'm really thinking this one. I really like this one. So you got a really big piece. So let me see if this works. You can see the part that I missed with my foil glue, but you can see it does work, but you want to make sure you hit the spots really nice and you put your foil glue everywhere, otherwise the color you used underneath will come through. You can see I missed parts here, I missed here and here, but the foil does work, and that's really nice. So here are the nails with the pattern on, and I really like this one on the yellow. So that was everything for this video right now, and I really like using Polygel with base coat. So if you didn't try it yet, please do, because it's a really nice hack. And go check out Nails by Nikki or Nailed by Nikki for more of those videos. And I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully I will see you in my next one, and I can't wait to start my Halloween series. So if you know any place to grab some cute Halloween stuff, please let me know, and I will buy it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to